Hi, in this video session, we will discuss about INSTR, INSTring. INSTring is a function is used to find out location of a substring in a given string. For example, if we want to find out here a Q position, I would like to find out the Q position in the given string. Yes, I can use INSTR. But observe here, how many times it has been occurred. The Q is occurred how many times? Twice. But which one you should tell to the machine or Oracle database that you want to find out the position of the Q in say, first time occurred or second time occurred. Otherwise, it won't accept it. Otherwise it will give first time when it occurs, that position will be returned. See, for before going that, just understand this notation. See, the S is occurred how many times in this string? Two times. Q is occurred how many times? Two times. L is occurred how many times? Three times. P is occurred how many times? Only one time. S is occurred twice. L is occurred thrice. Q is occurred twice. Right? Now, first we'll understand how the system will check the positions. Here, I want to find out the Q occurrence, L occurrence at when for the first time, and we should tell the machine to start from first position or second position or third position, because if you check from here, the first occurrence is at position 6. If you ask the machine to search from 7th position, it will give the 9th position as a first occurrence. Let us see one in string syntax with some examples. In str, what is the syntax? String, first parameter which is mandatory. Next, INSTR has the second parameter as substring. Any string, any letter you can give. Next, third one is from which position you want to check. Start position. And third one, fourth parameter is occurrence. Occurrence means the given substring first occurrence position you want to find out, or second occurrence position you want to find out, third occurrence position you want to find out from the given start position in this particular string. So I want to find out the Q occurrences in the SQL PLSQL. How can I write here in str? When what is the string we have? SQL PLSQL is the string. What is the substring you want to find out? L occurrence, right? L occurrence you want to find out, or else S occurrence you want to find out. For example, okay, I'm taking. There are so many examples I'm going to cover here. I'll explain here about L and S and Q, all those things. Now, I want to find out what is the starting position you want to check. Starting position you want to check. I want to ask the engine to check from the position 1. From here starting onwards, all letters I want to ask the engine to search. So position 1 I am giving. The start position will be 1. And occurrence means first occurrence you want to find out or second occurrence you want to find out. Means if the letter is occurred more than once, it will check for that. We specify occurrence once, means it will specify when it occurs immediately, it returns the position. If you mention here 2, when it occurs it will ignore. Second time when it occurs, it gives the position. If you give the position occurrence 3 for the S is occurred how many times from the first position onwards? 2. If you give 3 here, if there is no letter at the third occurrence, then it will return 0. We will see all the examples. So what it will give now? It will give first occurrence of the S letter. First occurrence of the first letter, S letter. So 0. See here we have given how many occurrences? 3 occurrences, right? So now we will check first occurrence. It must return 1. Okay, that means what we are saying, in this string, in this string, in this string, in this letter, from check from position 1 till first occurrence. So it will start, engine start here, and it will start checking from here. So first occurrence it occurs, so it returns the position number 1. Now let us see, if you have a 2 second occurrence, if you have a second occurrence, if you give second occurrence here, so engine will start from the position 1 and it will check first occurrence, so it won't return. And from here, fourth position, fifth position, sixth position, seventh position, second occurrence happened, so it will return, so it will returns what number? Position of the S is 7, so it should return what? 7. It should return 7. It should return 7. Now again, if you want to check the third occurrence of the given string, how can you check? The engine will start from which position? First position. Engine will check up to what? Third occurrence. See here, the engine will start here and it will check for S. Yes, here it is S, first time occurred. Yes, second time occurred. Is there any third time occurrence? No. So it will returns what? 0. It will returns 7. It will returns, it will returns 1. Similarly, just go for another example in the same uh, string. I want to find out the occurrence of the L. I want to find out the occurrence of the L from first position and first occurrence. Let me tell you, let us start here. It will start from 1. You have mentioned here is start position is 1, right? So it will check from here. So it will go first. It is not L. It is not L. It is L. So it is you have specified here first occurrence, right? So it will go for first occurrence. So what is the position of the first occurrence? 3. So it will return what? 3. Let us execute this one. Sorry. Okay. So what is the execution? Number 3. Good. Next we will go for the same letter. I want to find out the second occurrence of the given letter. So engine start here. You have mentioned the start position is L. This is a total string. This is a total string, among which you want to find out the location of the L, and you are asking the engine to start from position number 1. And what is occurrence you are asking? Means when it is occurs second time only, I want the position of the L. So let us check. Engine will start here. First letter is not L, second letter is not L, third letter is L, but you have given here occurrence is 2, so it will not return 3. Next it will go for, it will go fourth, space is not is equal to L, is not equal to L, it is equal to L, so it is occurrence second you have given, so the output must be 6. Let us check this one also. Six is the answer. Very good. Next, now every time you are asking engine to check from position 1 only, I don't want to ask engine to check from position 1. I want to ask engine to check position number from 3, and I want to know the letter when it occurs first time. Means it will not start, the engine will not start from here. Engine will start from where? Third position. So third position. So the third position, when it starts, it look into the letter L. Yes, L is matched, but you have asked what position number 1 and occurrence is also 1. So definitely what it will do, it will give the output as 3. I hope you are understanding my point, the how the engine is checking. As there are more number of examples, I'm going with the SQL. If you go with the anonymous block, it will take lots of time. Next, same example, I want to go with uh, position number position number 6. Position number 6 occurrence is 1. So engine will start from where the from the starting position is 6. It will return, yeah. So what is the position number 6? Yeah, here this is 6. When it starts, occurrence of the L is how many, what is the, yes, immediately L is equal to L, right? So it will return how much? 6, because you have given the occurrence is equal to 6, L, and it should start from position number 6. So it will return 6. Let us execute it. 6 comma 1. Yes, 6. But when you write here same example with the occurrence as twice, then what it will do? So the engine will start from where? Engine will start from 6th position. 6, L is equal to L, yes, but you have asked for second occurrence. You have asked for second occurrence, but here this is the first occurrence, so it will not return 6. Next it will go for S. S is not equal to L. Q is not equal to L. L is equal to L, yes, and the occurrence is also second. The output would be how much? 9. Let us check this one also. 6 comma 2. 6 comma 2. 6 comma 2 you need to specify right here. 9, right? But if you see, if you give the same INSTR with occurrence 3, let us see, this is very important. Here it will start from which position? 6th position, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 6. It will start from 6 only, right? It will from 6, and from here it will check. L is equal to L, yes, but first occurrence it won't return. L is equal to S, no. L is equal to Q, no. L is equal to L, S, but it is a second occurrence, it won't return. After L, is there any letter? No, it is the end of the string. So if there is no matching of occurrence, then it will return 0. Let us see that one also. Here the third occurrence, right? Yes, 0, because there is no matching of the occurrence. So these are the simple examples you can have. Let us go for this output also. Just write down the outputs. PLSQL L, you are looking for the position of the L, you are checking, and you are asking the system to check from position 1, and the second occurrence you are asking. Second occurrence means 1 2 3. First occurrence is third position, and 4 4 5 6. Sixth occurrence, this is a 6, output is 6. And here I will tell you, after positives we'll go for negative also, negative start position also. I'm not going to tell you the answer here. And here you are asking L letter to check, and you are asking the system to check from first position, and occurrence you are asking. So here output will be 3. And L, you are asking L 1 comma 2. 1 comma 2 means first position, and you are asking for occurrence of 2, similar to your first case, 6, right? Next, here 1 comma 3, all this completed, right? 1 comma 3, 1 comma 3 means first position you are asking to check. From first position it will check till the occurrence of third, first, second, third. It will be, it returns what, 9. And you are asking L at fourth occurrence. So how many times it occurs? First occurrence, second occurrence, third occurrence, fourth occurrence is not there, so 0. Now the SQL PLSQL, S is occurred how many times here? Check it out. 1, 2. So first position and seventh position. And here asking what? S 2 comma 1. You are asking the engine to check from the 2 position. So it will check from here. S is equal to Q, no. S is equal to L, no. S is equal to space, no. S is equal to Q, no. S is equal to L, no. S is equal to S, yes, perfect. Occurrence is first time only, right? So output returns 7. Next, you are asking S from, you are asking engine to check from second position until second occurrence. Second position, so S is equal to Q, no. S is equal to L, no. S is equal to space, no. S is equal to P, no. S is equal to L, no. S is equal to S, yes. But you are asking second occurrence, right? So it will not return 7. Next, S is equal to Q, no. S is equal to L, no. Is there any second occurrence? No. So that's why the output would be 0. And coming to SQL PLSQL QL, now we will see the number of two letters. Two letters in the sense, see here, two letters, two letters here. These two letters occurred first, and these are the starting word letter, starting letter. The number position will be returned for this particular query. So now check it out. Here you are asking to check the engine from where? First position. From first position in the given string, how many times first occurrence of the QL he is asking, the position of the QL he is asking. Now what is the position? So here it is S. S is equal, S is two letters, right? We'll check from here two letters. SQ is equal to Q, no. QL is equal to QL, perfect. So Q position is what? 2. It will return 2. Let us see this one with execution. So it will return, it should return what? 2. So what it is saying, missing right in str, it is perfect only. Select missing right parenthesis. Okay, here extra is there. See, while you're copying from another document to this document, the single code will becomes some other character. So here returns 2. Your answer is correct. Now let us see. Here the QL is occur from you are asking from position number 4. You just ask, you're asking engine to check. Yes, 4 means from here. So from here, and occurrences is 1. Occurrence is 1 you are asking. So from position 1, QL is space Q is equal to QL, no. Next, QL is PL is equal to QL, no. And LS is equal to QL, no. SQ is equal to LS, you know. And QL is equal to QL, yes, perfect. The position of the Q is 8. It will return what? 8. And similarly, if you go for the second occurrence from the position number 4, it will return 0. It will return 0. From position number 1, first occurrence is at 8th position. And is there any second occurrence? No. That's why it is returning 0. And similarly, I am checking now 3 characters. From position number 1, I need to check. See here. So first position it will check. SQL is equal to SQL. Yes, this word is matching with the given substring SQL. So output would be 1. Let us see. output would be how much? 1. Now let us check it out with the case 2 comma 1. So 2 comma 1 means you are asking from second position. SQL space is equal to SQL? No. L space P is equal to SQL? No. Space PL is equal to SQL? No. PLS is equal to SQL? No. LSQ is equal to SQL? No. SQL is equal to SQL, right? So now it is checking with what position? The output would be 7th position will be returned. For the same one, you are asking to check from position number 2, and the occurrence is first occurrence. Then it must return 7. Sorry, SQL. Here you have a caps, right? It is a caps. Right. Now if you give the same thing but occurrence is 3, occurrence is twice, then output would be 0. Output would be, sorry, second position, second occurrence. Second position, second occurrence is 0. But first position from first position, if you check SQL first time, this is second time, so it exits. That's why the output is 7 is returning. So this is 2 comma 2 0, 2 comma 1 it is 7. And in this session we have discussed about the positive positions, and the next session we will discuss about the negative position with the negative positions. It's just opposite here. The engine will start from the negative position till the ending. Let us discuss about that topic in the next video session. Thanks for watching. It is the end of the video.